Well, the GSMA is working to continue to keep a unified standard around the world. We've been very fortunate that with the 3G release, we have a unified system where all the operators around the world are using the GSMA technology, the GSM technology. We're working, as we move into the 6G era. The city of Shanghai has played a very important role because it is the host of MWC Shanghai, and we've been here now for this will be our 13th edition. It's one of the major innovation centers here in Shanghai, in China, and we find that the technologists find Shanghai as a great place to innovate and then commercialize new applications and services. So we find it in the startup community, we find it in the infrastructure community, and we find it in the operator community, all having very vibrant and successful operations here in Shanghai. Yeah, I think as we talked about in our recent press announcement, I think we have some really interesting zones this year. Robotics are going to be really, really big. I think that China is in the forefront, one of the forefront areas of robotics development. Not industrialized robots, but humanoid and solutions that are more in tune with you and I. And I think we're going to see some of that very much here. We're going to have a robotics competition around football, for instance, which I think is very timely with the World Cup going on. But it also demonstrates how robotics is moving more into the mainstream and out of science fiction. That's one. Next year in Shanghai, WRC 27 will take place, and spectrum is one area where operators are uniting and will be discussed here at MWC 26 here in Shanghai in preparation for the WRC meeting again here in Shanghai. It's a very monumental. These things only happen, I think it's every 4 years, and we're planning for spectrum utilization very far out. And as we move into the 6G era on the horizon, we must have harmonized spectrum around the world in order to make both 5G advanced and 6G commercial success.